Hi, my name's Jesseline, and this is going to be a video over place value. I'm going to do place value, whole numbers, and past the decimal points as well, just so you can know the names. So first of all, we're going to talk about whole numbers, so before the decimal point. Our first place value is called the ones place. So we have the ones place. And then our next place value, we're going to have, actually, I'm going to start over and do this way and go that way so I can write more. So we have the ones place, and then to the right of the ones place, we have the tens place. And then we have, after the tens place, we have the hundreds place. Oh, ran out of room, but there we go. We have the hundreds place, okay? So we have the ones, tens, hundreds, and then after the hundreds comes the thousands. Then after that comes the 10,000s, and it kind of goes along with how we say numbers. Like, so once we hit the thousands, we have the 10,000s and the 100,000s. So 100,000s, I'm gonna write that really quickly. And then after the thousands comes a new name, and that would be the millions place. So then we have the millions. And then after the millions, you go 10 millions, 100 millions. And then after that, so I'm going to write 10, I'm not going to write the word. 10 millions, 100 millions. Then I don't really know how far your teacher wants you to go, but after that, after you have millions, you have trillions, right? I mean, not trillions, you have billions, right? So you do the billions, and then the 10 billions, and then the 100 billions. And then after the billions, you have trillions, 10 trillions, 100 trillions. So this is place value if you need to know it. So you have the ones, tens, hundreds, and then after the hundreds are the thousands, then the 10,000s and the 100,000s. So really you just need to know like 1/10 hundreds, then the thousands. Then after thousands, you have the 10,000s, 100,000s, then the millions, then the 10 millions and 100 millions, then the billions, then the 10 billions and the 100 billions, then the trillions, then the 10 trillions and the 100 trillions. So place value is just good to memorize. Let's talk about place value behind the decimal place. It kind of goes in the same order, except starting off, there's no ones place. There's just what you call the tenths place. And that is TENTHS. Everything behind the decimal will end in that thus, like the THS. So the tenths place. Then after that, you have the hundredths place. And it's THS, so it's the hundredths, not the hundreds. Hundredths place. Then you have the thousandths place, and it starts to repeat all the same as the whole numbers, except it has the THS. And then you have, after the thousandths place, you have the 10,000ths place, so the 10,000ths. See, it's 10,000ths, then 100,000ths. Then after that, just after like what comes from 1,000, then you have the millionths place. So you have the millionths place, and everything again THS. Then the 10 millionths, and then the 100 millionths. Then after that, you would have the billionths place, and the 10 billionths and the 100 billionths. So it's the same. You have just the THS afterwards. So you have the tens, thousands, tenths, hundreds, thousands, 10 thousands, 100 thousands, millions, 10 millions, 100 millions. And there you go. There's place value. If you have any questions, let me know.